Charlie here with US Pride Products, and we're at the Compost Council here 2023 down in California, and we're demoing our HF800 2-speed model on a skid steer. The HF800 2-speed can go on a skid steer, a wheel loader, excavator, any type of carrier, and bust up the oversized trees and stumps to go through the grinders and chippers. Now we do make a 800 standard for excavators. We also make a 300, a 400, various size machines for whatever carrier you have. The 800s need a K-strain line and any auxiliary hydraulic circuit. So any thumb circuit on an excavator or any auxiliary circuit on a skid steer, the only thing you need to make sure on an 800 is a K-strain line. The 300, 400 do not require that. The threaded cone screws in, it's very passive, very easy on the equipment, and very fast. All of our customers that have had them like them because there's no debris on the landing after they're done, and it's clean and easy and anybody can run it.